Welcome back to the channel. We are about to get our vision board together. Now, these are the things I'm going to use for my vision board, but you don't have to use the same thing I'm using. But you definitely want to grab some magazines and some glue and some things like I can't write worth of crap, so I got these little things here. Tape for the things that don't want to tape, and you're going to definitely need a way to hang it. Or for me, I'm going to sit it on this Dollar Tree easel. Alright, let's get started doing our vision board. Now, I have a foam board in white and black, and I was debating on which one I was going to do. More than likely, I'm going to go ahead and do the white and save the black for a project. You will need some magazines. If you don't have any magazines, get on the computer and print out something you know you have a vision for. My vision is 2019. It can be a 6-month vision. It could be a 9-month. It could be a 2-month. It could be a year. It could be your 5-year plan. It's all in how you want it. So I do a lot of little different things. So I'm having to plan mine for just 2019. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the things I like first. Be sure to do the cutouts as first, because this is what takes the longest time, is going through each one of these things and finding out what you want to cut out. So here we are so far on my vision board. I put a year in mine so I keep track of it. I also use these Dollar Tree items to just start building it. You build it the way you want. It's a lot to do with your goals, your visions, your dreams, and you put it down. And as you get to it, depending on how you want to do it, you check it off. So this is how it looks so far. And now I'm going to go ahead and do a few more pieces to it. But I just wanted to give you a good start of how a vision board can be put together. Everybody does it different. Here is my vision board for the next year. I got a few little sayings in there. Got a little bit of makeup. I've got plenty of space to add to it at any time. I can leave it like this or add to it at any time. A few little beach things that I'd like to do. And then I got a saying up here, which I actually need more of these sayings about difficult people. Yeah. So if you've got a vision board and want to share it, please let me know. Otherwise, comment what you would put on your vision board, or what would you do about your vision board. Be sure to like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And get ready, 2019 is around the corner. This is your girl SJ here with Real Beauty, Real Food, and Real Life.